Hello everyone and welcome to this episode of Singly Linked Lists with Python. In this episode we are going to see how to compute the decimal value of a binary string that we have saved in our linked list. So we are going to define a very simple method for doing the same. And here we have the definition of our linked list. So let us define a new method. So let us say def decimal value self head res equals to 0 while head and res equals to res 1 plus head dot data and head equals to head dot next. Finally, return res. So the method is very simple. We are defining a method and then we are passing the head of our linked list to that method. We can even write it outside actually. So let us actually write it outside of the linked list, and it should actually work because we are passing the head and we are not going to call it with the object of the linked list. Okay, so now let me explain you how to work with this. This is very simple thing. So res equals to 0, it is going to store the result, and head is the head of the linked list. Here we are computing. Okay, so basically we are multiplying it by 2. Okay, we are left shifting it. It means that we are multiplying it by 2. Okay, and we are adding it to head dot data. And finally, we are saying head equals to head dot next. So we are going to the next node. And finally, this res will have the computed decimal value. And if I execute this, it has defined that decimal value thing. Now let me create a linked list specifically for this. And I'm just going to copy this code. Okay. Now it will be very, very interesting to see this. Let me say 1 and let me copy this, paste it, and paste it 4 times 1. Okay, or let us make it 3 times 1. It should be 8. Decimal value of this should be 8. Okay, and I will say decimal value of list.head, list.head. That's it. This is very simple thing. And if I execute it, it should show me 8. Now it says, okay, I guess I have used that self here. That is why. So you can either define it within the definition of your list, or you can define it with outside, okay, without anything. And it is 7, yes. So basically 1, 1, 1 from 0 to 7. So 7 is the highest thing. And if I say 1, again 1, then it should actually show me 15. And if I add another 1, it should show me 31 and so on. So this way we can go ahead and store binary data in a linked list, and then we can compute the decimal value of all the binary string that we have saved in the linked list. So thanks a lot for watching this episode. Do let me know if you have any questions, queries, or concerns in the comment section of this video. Thanks a lot once again, and I will see you in the next episode.